How to Start YouTube Automation with AI, Step-by-Step Guide, Complete Tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of leveraging artificial intelligence to streamline your YouTube channel management and content creation. 1. Introduction to YouTube Automation. YouTube automation with AI allows creators to optimize their workflow, enhance video production efficiency, and engage audiences effectively. 2. Choosing the right AI tools. The first step is selecting the right AI tools. Look for platforms that offer video editing, content scheduling, and analytics features tailored for YouTube. 3. Setting up AI video creation. Begin by setting up AI video creation. Upload your raw footage or script and let AI algorithms edit, enhance, and even generate thumbnails for your videos. 4. Automating content distribution. Next, automate content distribution. AI can schedule uploads, optimize video tags and descriptions, and even suggest the best times for publishing based on audience engagement data. 5. Enhancing audience engagement. AI tools can analyze viewer behavior to suggest content ideas, tailor video recommendations, and even respond to comments using natural language processing. 6. Monitoring performance with AI analytics. Utilize AI analytics to monitor video performance, track audience demographics, and identify trends to refine your content strategy continuously. 7. Implementing AI-based monetization strategies. Explore AI-driven monetization strategies such as dynamic ad insertion and personalized sponsorship recommendations to maximize revenue. 8. Conclusion and future prospects. In conclusion, YouTube automation with AI offers unprecedented opportunities for content creators to scale their channels efficiently. As AI technology evolves, so will the capabilities to innovate and engage with audiences on a deeper level.